kayo malikot ha.
Bye!
Titi, huwag kayo malikot ha.
Okay na dito.
Huwag kayo nagtao dito.
Yung mga paa namin tapos tagakyat tumao. Okay, thank you.
Tindahan dito, bibili pa tayo ng alak.
Doon naman
Len, bakit Len?
Pabansin.
Kaya ba yan?
Oo. Napapaitim siya. Sa baking niya siya. Nakasanda ka na ba, be?
Nakasandla nga na ba, Beng?
Wala pa yun siya, si Jiska, bigyan niya.
You know, if you're wearing, using sunblock, if you want to use that, you're going to dark. Itim kayo.
Really?
Oh yeah, much better to use not sunblock, sun white. Okay.
Taluay. Ice cream yan. Ice cream good.
Unang natin pupuntahan is the Big Lagoon. Big Lagoon is known in all in Asia because Big Lagoon declared in 2019 na tayo palawin yun, di ba? So also, first stop natin yan. So our activity on that area po is kayaking. And the second one also that we call the second stop, the name of that island is the Secret Lagoon. Ma'am, sir, I don't want to say anything because that is a secret, right? Now, Secret Lagoon po ang ating activity doon. Papasok tayo sa loob and we can also sightseeing of any kind of rock formation. Mga rock formation ng, meron kami tinatawag doon ng ulo ng crocodile, ibon, and makikita nyo rin yung Last Supper. Kung alam nyo yung Last Supper, so that the second stop. The third stop po, maybe that our lunch area. There's two option in Talula or Payong-Payong Beach. If the Payong-Payong is very crowded, madaming tao, so we have option to go to Intalula. Don't worry, the two kind of islands is beautiful, like you guys on this boat. Alright? And the fourth po, we're going to our snorkeling area. Kayo po yung mga snorkeling area dito. Snorkeling gear. Meron?
Meron
So,
kami
we're gonna
daw.
bring you to the good spot for the snorkeling in that area that we call the Advin snorkeling area. And the last is we're going to relaxing, play some volleyball. Sino marunong mag-volleyball dito? Kung kayo that time ay kayo yung nagugutom pa rin, so meron din tindahan doon. So that the name of that beach bouncer is the Seven Commando. So okay, so again I will 5 stop in Tor A, Big Lagoon, Secret Lagoon,